Hello children, welcome to I Love Science. You see these strange glasses that I am wearing? You must have seen these glasses in 3D comics. If you have the opportunity to read any 3D comics, then you would have seen these glasses. These have one lens blue and one lens red, and this helps us in reading 3D comics, which are typically in this way, that pictures have very prominent red and blue color, and if you see them without glasses, then the picture will look very blur to you. But if you look at these with these glasses, then you will actually see that the picture has 3D effect, which means some part of the picture is coming out of the paper, it's near you, and some part of the picture is going behind the paper, which is farther from you. But right now in this camera, you cannot see that effect because these cameras always do the recording from one eye. The camera always does the recording from one lens. So it can never see the actual depth that us humans can see because we see from two eyes. So now you understand the meaning of 3D or 3 dimensions. Anything which is there in our world has 3 dimensions, which is width, height and depth. Now it is very easy to see width and height because that we can see even from one eye. But to see depth or distance, we need to see from both the eyes. So we will tell you a simple experiment with which you will actually see and be able to understand this concept. So to do this experiment, you just need 2 simple pencils which have been sharpened. Alright. Now, right now, both my eyes are open, and if I try to bring them and meet them at the point, I will be able to join them at the sharp point also, because I am able to see the distance from my eye to this pencil because I am seeing from both the eyes. Alright, here. But if I close one eye and then try to do this again, and you can also do it, but don't stretch your hand so that these pencils are automatically at the same distance. Just keep your hands loose, close one eye and then move them a little bit and then try to bring them closer. So this is a very simple experiment which will help you realize that to be able to judge the distance or depth, you need to see from both the eyes, because our brain merges the picture coming from left eye and right eye, and then it is able to understand the distance from ourselves. We will also show you some illusions around this. So look at this Rubik cube, but now let me show you the fun part, that is it the real 3D cube or is it just an illusion. So if I move around this cube, then you will be able to see something very strange, right? I think you are able to see that this cube is actually not a real cube. It's a design printed on a piece of paper. But if you look at it from the correct angle, then it looks as if this is a Rubik cube put on a piece of paper. Now this illusion is looking very real to you right now, again because you are seeing it from the camera which is doing the shooting from one single lens. But if I am looking at it from both my eyes, I can clearly see that this is not a real cube, but it's a printout. So let's do some more experiments like this. Okay, now let's look at these 3 cups sitting on this table, and you will see the illusion if I turn around, and then you will see what is the problem with these cups. It was a print on a paper, but if I look at it from the correct angle, then from this angle it looks like that all 3 of them are real cups. Okay, but if I pick this up, then you can see that this is a printout, and behind I have put some magnets just to make it heavy so that it can actually stand on its own, right? You can also look at this interesting dinosaur figure that you see here. It has a special 3D effect that when I turn my camera, you will see how it can turn its head. So let's look at this. So if I bring my camera here, it starts looking the other way, when I turn my camera here, it starts looking at me. Okay, now this design, this illusion works because if I show you the actual dinosaur, then you will see that this dinosaur has a very strange design. Its head is actually gone inside the paper, so that is why this illusion works like this. So I hope you enjoyed these 3D illusion experiments. This kind of a 3D glasses and these 3D pictures are also part of our science kit, which is called 3D vision and illusion, and children actually assemble these 3D glasses themselves during our workshop, and after that they are able to see these 3D pictures and have a lot of fun. Some of you may also have seen 3D movies in last few years, and the glasses that you have to use in 3D movies are not like this red and blue. They have a special glass which is grey color. So do you know what is special about those grey glasses? Let us know your answers in the comments below, and don't forget to like our page so that you never miss any fun science video from us in future. Thank you. Bye bye.